Hi, hi all. Hope I'm live. I hope you can see me. Yes. Hi, I can see some people joining now. I hope you can hear me and you can see me well. I hope I'm audible. Hi, Gautam. Hi, all. I hope everybody is doing well. I hope everyone is safe. Hi, Monisha. Thank you. I know. Hi, Arnold. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone is doing good. I hope everybody is safe in their home. Right. If at all you're not able to hear me or see me, just comment down below. I will make sure that I adjust the camera angle so that you can see me well. Hi Tushita, good morning. Hi Pooja. Okay, so my name is Sarthak. I'm a physiotherapist and I work for Nightingale's Home Healthcare Services, Bangalore Whitefield branch. And today I'm here on the FB Live session and discussing more about my topic, ACL tear, to be very specific, post-operative ACL tear rehabilitation and management. And before I get into these exercises, I would like to take a minute and address the current situation of COVID-19. There's it's terrible out there, pandemic, people are suffering, and we are all locked in our homes. So recently there have been campaigns, stay home, stay safe. I hope everybody's following that campaign and everybody's safe, everybody's doing well. But somewhere in middle, I think we have forgotten about fitness. So Nightingales have started with this new initiative, Stay Home, Stay Fit, where we have come up with this initiative known as physiotherapy video conference or physiotherapy video consultation, where you can give us a call on the toll-free number of 1-800-103-4530. I repeat the number 1-800-103-4530. You can give us a call, you can speak to our customer care, and you can book an appointment with us. And once you are done booking the appointment, we will get back to you and we will start this video conferencing live one-on-one session where we will assess you and we'll give the proper treatment protocol based on your needs. Let it be anything. It can be geriatric or a long standing chronic pain, for example low back pain or upper neck pain, anything. We'll be there for you. We are out here for you. Since best way to fight COVID is social distancing, we have come up with this new idea, right? So now, if there are any comments, like any doubts while I'm doing the exercises, or you're not able to understand anything, please comment down below. I'll keep checking the comments and I'll keep addressing to those comments if there are any doubts, or if there are any doubts regarding the exercises, I'll even finish the session and I'll get back to you with your doubts and queries. But in middle, if you're not able to see me, or if not able to hear me, or if you're not able to see what kind of exercise I'm doing, do comment. I'll get back to you right now. Okay, so now let's not waste further time and let's get to the exercise. Okay, first exercise is stretching. This once you are starting the exercise, make sure you do the stretching exercise first, which will help you in relaxing the muscle. Post-operative, people will face a lot of stiffness in the hamstring, in the quadricep, in the calf. So this is a very simple hamstring stretch, right? So what you need to do is, you need to lie down on the bed and lie on your tummy, right? I hope you can see me. And make sure your legs are outside the bed. Make sure your knees are at the very edge, and lie down like this for at least a minute or two, right? This is a very simple gravity assisted stretch where you just need to relax and let the gravity do its work. Okay, you will feel the stretch at the back of your thigh. All right, lie down in this position and relax. You will feel slight pull at the back of your thigh. Okay. Keep this position for a minute. Probably you can do it for 2 minutes, which should be fine. And then once you are done with the stretches, you can move on with the range of motion exercises. These exercises will mainly help you to gain the knee range exercises. Knee range. So once the surgery is done, many patients complain of stiffness, tightness, swelling. So to address those tightness, swelling, not able to move the knee freely, this is the exercise for that. And these exercises must be done right from the day 0 onwards, right from the point of your surgery. Sit like this, and probably you will need some assistance while doing this. And while doing this exercise, it might hurt a bit around the knee, below the knee, but it's fine. As long as you're able to bear the pain, you're good to go. So what you need to do is you need to bend your knee gently, take the support of your bed, put the heel on the bed and just slide. 1, and again back. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, initially you can start with 5 times. It's going to be a little difficult right after surgery. It's going to be a little painful, but as long as you can bear the pain and you can just do the exercise bearing a little bare minimum of pain, you are supposed to get the knee range of motion slowly. Day by day, you need to progress from 5 times to 10 times, from 10 times to 15 times, from 15 times to 20 times. Okay, and for these exercises you may need slight assistance while bending the knee because you may not have the enough strength to do it yourself, it's going to be very tight. The knee is going to be very stiff. So make sure that you take slight assistance from someone else, from a physiotherapist or from anyone who is there in your home, and you can do this exercise. This is the very simple knee range of motion exercise to get the range of the knee. Now once you get the range, you need to utilize the range. If you are having 90 degrees of knee flexion, you need to utilize the knee flexion 90 degrees. And how do you do that? You do that by strengthening exercises. Now coming to the strengthening exercises, there are basically 2 types of strengthening exercise which I'll be showing now, very basic. You can do this right from the second day onwards of your after your surgery, and it's very simple. It's isometrics and straight leg raise. Basically, all these very basic strengthening exercises and this knee range of motion exercises is the first phase of rehabilitation. Where the first phase of rehabilitation will start from 0 day onwards from the point of your surgery, and it will go on till probably 6 months or 4.5 months, and then second phase onwards, it's known as advanced strengthening and balancing exercises, where it's completely on the discretion of the physiotherapist and it's person to person based. Not everybody's knee is same, so second phase will start after a good assessment, after you have gained approximately 70 to 80% of the knee strength. Now phase 1 strengthening exercises are very simple, isometrics as an SLR. So I'll start with the isometric exercises. For isometric exercises, you need a towel. Just fold the towel or roll the towel and make it a bit thicker. Like this. Make a roll and keep it below your knee. Okay, keep it below the knee. There's an empty space right behind the knee. Keep the towel just below that, like this, and press the knee on top of the towel. You need to press the towel down. Okay, I'll show. I'm pressing one, and you need to hold the press for at least 5 seconds. Okay, hold the press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Take 1 or 2 seconds after every repetition. Take a break and then go on to the next repetition. Second time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Third time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Fourth time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. And for the fifth time, press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the knee extension exercise. It's for the front of your thigh. This is known as quadriceps. This is for this muscle. Okay. To strengthen this muscle, this exercise is very useful. Now coming to the back of your thigh, which is known as hamstrings. To strengthen that, it's almost the same exercise, but you need to keep the towel below your ankle. Keep the towel below your ankle. Press the towel down with the help of your ankle. Okay. Press down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. You might feel some discomfort below your knee, behind the thighs, but that's fine. That's just because you don't have enough strength, and it's just a recent surgery, so you need to give it some time to heal. But with that time, if you're doing these exercises, you'll be good to go. Okay. Press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Third time, press the ankle down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Fourth time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. And for the fifth time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I hope I was clear. Okay. I can see some people joining still. Great. Okay. Coming to the third isometric exercise. This one is for the muscle which is in between your thighs. Right, this one. These muscles. Okay, to strengthen these muscles, there are 2 exercises, 2 isometrics which you can do. Isometric number 1, keep the towel in between your ankles. Okay, like this. Keep the towel in between your ankles and press the towel in between your ankles. Right, so clamp it together, clamp your ankles together. Okay, and press the towel like this and hold the press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and relax. Okay, take 2 seconds and then press again. Second time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Take 2 seconds. Third time. Press 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax. Fifth repetition. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax. Coming to the second isometric to strengthen these muscles. you need to keep the towel in between your knees, like this. Okay? Keep the towel in between your knees and clamp the knees together. Press the towel in between your knees. Press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Press again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Take a second. Third repetition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Fourth repetition. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. Fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. These all are your isometric exercises, mainly used for muscle activation. Very basic form of strengthening exercises. You can do it 5 times with 5 seconds hold at the beginning, and then you can progress on to with 10 seconds hold 10 times, 10 seconds hold 15 times, 10 seconds hold and 20 times. You will progress it day by day as your pain and pain. It's completely up to you, and the physiotherapist will be treating you to assess and let you know when you can progress. Okay. Now coming to the third strengthening exercise, it's known as straight leg raise, right? In this exercise, you will have a very big knee brace. Right after surgery, the doctor will prescribe you a knee brace. So when you're doing this particular exercise, straight leg raise, make sure you wear the brace and do it. It'll give you an extra added stability, and while you're doing the exercise, there won't be any risk to injure your knee. Right? There won't be any extra strain on your knee. It'll be safe. Plus, the physiotherapist with you or the person assisting you will also be assisting while lifting the leg. Okay, I'll show you the exercise. You need to lie down completely for this. Lie down. I hope you can see my legs. And I'm very sorry that you cannot see my upper body. The room is very small. So if you're not able to see my legs, just let me know. I'll change the camera angle. And if you're able to see, once again, I'll come a little closer. Okay. You need to lift the leg up slowly. Okay. And while lifting it, initially you may not be able to hold that position for a long time, but as you keep doing it, as you progress, you will be able to hold the leg in the midair. But your initiation should always to hold the leg in the midair, so it will give you that added benefit of strengthening. Okay, so I'll show you now. Lift the leg up, lift, and hold the position for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax, bring it down slowly. Take 2 seconds gap, and second repetition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring it down slowly. Relax for 2 seconds. Third time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring it down slowly. Okay. Fourth time. Lift it up. Hold the position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. And the last time, fifth time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. This is the one SLR. There's one more variation which I'll be showing. Okay. It's really hot. It's summertime. Make sure to stay hydrated. And if you are feeling hot, if you want to drink water in the middle of the exercise, you can drink it, but make it only just 2 sips. Make it limited to 2 sips only. I can see some comments. I will definitely get back to you once I finish showing all this exercise. I'll definitely comment down below. I will definitely get back to you, Akshita, once I finish all the exercises. I'll definitely get back to you. Now coming to the second form of SLR, you need to lie down on your side like this. Okay? Lie down on your side like this and lift the leg up straight. Make sure to wear the brace, and if assistance be required, make sure the physiotherapist is right next to you or the person who is with you to give you mild assistance to lift the leg up. Okay? Now lift the leg slowly. Hold the position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Second time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gradually bring it down, slow and steady. Third repetition. 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly bring it down. Relax for 2 seconds. Fourth time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. And for the fifth time, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. Okay. These are some exercises which you need to start from the very beginning. Very simple exercises which you can do right on the bed. You don't need to move out of the bed. Probably once you are done with these exercises, I'll show you some exercises while standing from now on. All the exercises which I'll be doing is to be done while standing only. Hi Shruti, I will definitely get back to the comment. Let me finish the exercises and I'll definitely get back to you, right? Let me fix the camera angle a little bit so that I can show you some exercises while standing. Okay. The next exercise is known as mini squats, right? This mini squats also come in the first phase of rehabilitation, right? In this mini squats, you don't need to bend completely, just bare minimum, and you need to hold the position. Let me show it to you, right? Keep the hands out in front and bend. Not much, very less. Or if you are not comfortable while doing like this, you can also take the wall support and do it. Initially, if you're not confident while doing the mini squats, you can take the wall supports and bend down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. I'll show it to you in another angle so that I can have a better look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. Third time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again up. Take 2 seconds gap and do it for the fifth time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are known as mini squats. This you can do once you have probably 30 to 40% of the quadricep and hamstring strength. Okay. Now this all exercise come in phase 1, which you need to do from day 0 onwards till approximately 6 months or 4.5 months of time, and then the phase 2 will start, where phase 2 is mainly for advanced strengthening and balance exercise. And phase 2 is completely on the discretion of the physiotherapist and the patient. Every knee is not same, every ACL injury is not same. It depends on person to person, and it depends on when to start the phase 2 after a good assessment. Okay, so now the phase 2 exercise, first exercise is known as lunges. Okay, lunges, you need to take a step forward and bend down. Okay, and come back up. This is known as lunges. I will show you in the side way also. Take a step forward, down and up. Okay, 2, third time, bend totally down, 3, again, 4, and 5. Back. Make sure you do this exercise in both the legs, right and left both. So again I will show it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right? This exercise will help you with strengthening as well as balance also. I see some comments. I'll definitely get back to you once I'm done with this exercise live session. Okay, now the third exercise is backward lunges. Okay, what you need to do is you need to step back. In the normal lunges you are stepping front, but in this you need to step back. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, do it with both the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These all exercises will help you with balance also, as well as with strengthening. Okay, and the third exercise which I like to show is single legged sit to stand. Okay, it's also known as single legged squats, but if you're not really comfortable doing single leg squats, you can sit to stand. Keep the leg in front and get up. 1, slowly, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now with the right leg, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last time 5. Okay. So these were for some exercises which you can do at home for the ACL rehabilitation and exercises. I'm very sorry, so sorry. I'm not really that tech savvy. I'm very sorry for the disturbance. In case you have lost the live feed. Okay. So now I'll get to the comments which you have posted, and I will definitely try to answer all of it. Hi Akshita, your question is what does this ACL ligament actually do? Well, this ACL ligaments usually prevents the forward tilting of the tibia over the knee. Right, this is the tibia and this is the knee. This is the femur. Sorry, it prevents the forward, forward shifting of the tibia with respect to the femur. So that's what the ACL does. Again, another question from Akshita: is it possible to recover from an ACL tear without surgery? See, it depends. Right, there are basic grades of ACL tear. If you are up to grade 3, it's fine. You can definitely recover with the normal exercises, and you need to give yourself some time to heal. ACL takes a lot of time to heal because there's very less blood circulation. But if you have crossed the grade 4 and 5, definitely you need a surgery. Definitely you need a reconstruction surgery. And after the reconstruction surgery, you can start doing these exercises. If you want to know a little more about ACL tear, please give us a call on the toll-free number 1800-103-4530, and we will definitely get back to you. Hi Shruti, next question is from you. Can we continue exercise even if it hurts while performing? Yes, this is very important. After every, once the surgery is done, patient complain of 3 main symptoms: swelling, stiffness, and pain. Right? Pain definitely will be there, so don't need to worry about it. As long as you are able to bear the pain, please continue with the exercise. But if it's exceeding your toleration, stop it. And basically you'll feel the pain around the knee, but if you're feeling anywhere else in the hip, in the ankle, do stop the exercise right then and there. Do I have to, next question from Sanjana, do I have to take appointment before doing this exercise? If you want to know more about what condition you are in right now, definitely give us a call. 1800-103-453. It's a toll-free number. We'll get back to you and we'll give you a proper consultation, and we'll assess your symptom. We'll assess what stage you're in right now, and we'll devise a based on that. How long can it take for recovery after surgery? See, Mahadev Rao. Depends. 3 to 4 months, you should be able to get at least 40 to 50% of the knee strength, right? And it takes almost an year, or probably more than a year, depends on person, 80 to 90% of the strength. That is within 1 year, you will get back 90% of strength, and you can probably start jogging once you're not able to feel much pain in the knee and there's no much swelling. You can start jogging, but it takes approximately 1 year to get back to the at least 90% of the strength. Another question from Mahadev Rao: can it be reunited once it has been re-injured? Sorry. Yes, it can be re-injured. You need to take definite precautions. You need to wear the brace. You need to avoid any activities which is going to stress the ligament. Yeah, it can be re-injured, but once you are taking precautions, it should be totally fine. It should be totally safe. You are good to go. Renuka Rao, hi. Any precaution to be taken after surgery? Any movements I should not do? Renuka Rao, yes. There are some precautions. For example, you cannot be doing this movement much, this one, okay. This is known as full knee extension from 90 degree to 0 degree. Please avoid that movement for approximately 1.5 to 2 months, and once after 2 months you can slowly start giving knee extension degree by degree, from 90 degree to 80 degree, 80 degree to 70 degree, and slowly you can take it to 90 degree. You need to avoid that knee extension movement, and for precaution you need to wear the knee brace and avoid any jumping activities. Hi, Dr. Pooja. Can cycling is recommended if you have ACL tear? Yes, definitely. Cycling, you can start right from the second week onwards. Cycling will help you free the knee, right? It will help you mobilize the knee. It will give you that extra range which you need to get. Instead of doing just simple basic knee range of motion like this, you can also do cycling to get the knee range. Without resistance, the resistance should be 0. Once you have to 1 or 2. Gautam Shenoy, how does the ligament usually get injured? And another question on Gautam Shenoy, is it like arthritis, only old people get it? First question is ligament, generally it happens in young adults or athletes. It can sometimes happen in old people too. Generally what happens is when you land from a height, or when you're jumping, tibia tends to shift forward, and if your landing is not correct, if you twist your leg while landing, your ACL is bound to get injured. If you are landing with a twisted leg, ACL tear might occur. And no, it's not like arthritis. Arthritis is a degenerative changes related to genetics and old age. This is definitely related to injury. I have not missed anything. Just comment yes if you have understood everything that I have said. I hope I'm clear. I hope you have enjoyed my live session, and thank you for taking some time out for half an hour to join me on this live session. I hope you have understood well, and if you really want to know more about this condition, if you want to book an appointment, do give us a call at the toll-free number 1800-103-4530. And yeah, definitely we'll be doing this same kind of live sessions in future. If you have any comments on what next live session should be, please comment, and we'll make sure that your comment, we'll take it as a feedback, and we'll add that topic to the next live session as well. Thank you, Tushita. Thank you, Arnold. I hope it was useful. And please give a like at our Facebook page, Nightingale's Home Healthcare Specialist, to keep you guys posted. Once we are coming up with the next live session, the first notification you will get, and you can join us right away at the next live session. Okay, thank you all for joining me on this live session. This is Sarthak signing off.